Happy Friday, everyone. Today is Friday, June 19th. That's right, it's the last day of classes. Welcome to what will be the final episode of our announcements for the year. A lot of important things to say, but let's get this show on the road. Let's get this party started with the last birthdays of the school year. And once again, take it away, our graduate, Cassie Ferry.
Hello, CHS, it's me, Cassie Ferry, back again with this week's birthdays. This week, we have only two. We got Manny Maldonado, Friday, June 19th. Happy birthday to you, Manny. On to the staff, we got Mary Ellen Dorfer, Thursday, June 18th. Happy birthday to you, Mary Ellen. To all the summer babies, just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope everyone is doing good. We're going a couple more days. I wouldn't say that because February is kind of done. Until we end our school year. Keep up the good work. Stay strong, CHS. We got this.
Thanks very much again, Cassie, and thanks also to Thomas Bryant for doing the birthdays a little earlier in the year. Thanks to both of you. You really added a fun and important bit of information to our announcements. Reminder, graduation is next Tuesday. We're having it virtually. It will be on YouTube. It will be as a YouTube premiere. Now, we're still putting the finishing touches on the video, so the link is not available just yet. But at some point over the weekend or on Monday, certainly before Tuesday, you will be emailed a link to watch out for, because that graduation will be on Tuesday, June 23rd at 5 p.m. It will go live. So pay attention to your email and make sure that you copy that link, and we'll tell you in that email the few places that you can see the show. Number one is on YouTube, but we're also planning to have it on our homepage as well. So YouTube will be the easiest place to catch it. Just click that link and you'll be there. 5 p.m. Tuesday, June 23rd. We'll see you there. A reminder, today is Friday. We're celebrating the end of our academic year. However, there are office hours today. If you do have any last-minute things that you'd like to catch up with your teacher, any questions, concerns, please reach out to them today and see if you can't arrange a quick conversation or a communication with them to tie up any loose ends. Today would be your last day to do that. I announced before, but students and parents are thinking about picking up personal items from the high school. We are putting together a plan to do just that. Stay tuned. We'll let you know at some point next week. There'll be an email with some instructions as to how we plan to do that. So again, thank you for your patience, and we'll let you know more information at some point next week. A thank you to all of those who've been following these videos along every day. Your input and feedback has been terrific. And I just wanted to share some final YouTube stats with you all. Since March 16th, we've had 12,400 views to our videos. Folks have watched for 344 hours, and we've now got 133 subscribers. And that was all from 0 on March 16th. So thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. A reminder also, the drama show. The drama show is going to be on our YouTube page. So make sure that you do check there. It will be posted soon. Lisa Stein and the cast of this year's drama show decided to do just Act 1, and they did it as an audio show, sort of like a radio drama. So we've put it on YouTube. We've added some headshots and pictures of our cast and pictures of the program, and it's about 20 minutes long, and you can tune in and watch it. Make sure that you reach out to Lisa and the students who were involved in that show and tell them that you liked it and that they did a great job, because they did. Congratulations to the drama cast for being creative and pulling together a terrific show, even during these trying unique remote learning times. I want to take a moment to say thank you. I thank the students. I thank our staff. I thank our administration. Thanks to Scott and Jim and Toby for allowing me to do this and to reaching out to you. Thanks again to the students for sending information and pictures and suggestions. And thanks to the staff for stepping up and also supplying some great stuff as well. Thanks to all of you. These are times that are so unique that we'll be looking back on this in 30 years and saying, wow, remember when that happened? And I must say I'm very proud of the way that the community high school handled this, and I'm proud of the way that our community handled this as well. And thanks also to the parents who were following up with students at home and making sure they did all their work and making sure they were logging on to their classes. So great job to everyone. Congratulations. Everyone really deserves to give themselves a pat on the back this year. It is Friday. It's the end of our announcements. So just like any Friday, it's time for Joke of the Week. What do you call a duck? What do you call a duck that gets straight A's? What do you call a duck that gets straight A's? He's a wise quacker. A wise quacker. Everybody, have a safe, enjoyable, fun summer. Be careful, and we'll see you in September. Bye-bye, everybody.